Hi there, thank you so much for joining me. It is Annie here again, and today I'm going to be unboxing for you a new red handbag that I bought from Michael Kors. So I specifically chose the red one because I've been looking for something for Christmas time, and it's pretty appropriate for Valentine's coming up around the corner. And being a red handbag, it's a statement piece, so you can also pretty much wear it any time of the year for any occasion. Okay, here we go. So this is the bag. The measurements are 15 by 10 by 4.75. It's a nice medium size. The arms and the handles are nice and flexible. This is 9.5 inches. It's got the 2 pockets. I should open this first. Pretty well structured, nice, supportive. So we've got the 2 pockets here. There we go. The interior is nice and clean and spacious. You've got 2 pockets for your cell phone, etc. There's a pocket for perhaps your wallet. It's very light, not heavy at all. I had mine monogrammed just as an added touch. Another very important feature I like is it's got the feet. That protects the bag when you put it down. And this is what it looks like. Fits very nicely under your shoulders. Not too big, just the right size. So I hope this was helpful to you, and till the next time, thank you very much again for joining me. Bye-bye.